Hello. This one's by John Watson, another favourite of mine. Let your living water flow over my soul. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. All my cares and burdens onto you I roll. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Father, Father, Father. Spirit, Spirit, Spirit. Come now, Holy Spirit, and take control. Hold me in your loving arms and make me whole. Wipe away all doubt and fear and take my pride. Draw me to your love and keep me by your side. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Father, Father, Father. Spirit, Spirit, Spirit. Give your life to Jesus, let him fill your soul. Let him take you in his arms and make you whole. As you give your life to him, he'll set you